Good morning, Standard 8 students. You know that I have completed chapter pronoun. Today, here I will do some exercise from this chapter. So, let's start. Now, here is the practice time. I have written some questions for you and I have solved for you. And these questions are based on different kinds of pronoun. Now you see the first question on the basis of personal pronoun. So here you see, she has done her duty. So her is the girl. That's why the personal pronoun of the her will be she. Here you see his. So the personal pronoun will be he. He lost his purse yesterday and could not find till now. Again you see he I have used because here is he. He has lost his book in the classroom. So you know that the personal pronouns are I, we, he, she, they, all these are the personal pronoun. Now let's come to the second kind of pronoun, that is a possessive pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. Now you see, this book is not mine. So this is mine is the possessive pronoun. It is yours. Yours is also a possessive pronoun. Is this ball yours? Asked Nita. So yours is the what kind of pronoun? It is possessive pronoun. Yes, it is mine, replied Sneha. So here the mine is also possessive pronoun because it belongs to Sneha. Now you see these mangoes look fresh. So can you tell me which kind of pronoun this is? Yes, this is demonstrative pronoun. I told you that these, that, these, those, all these are the demonstrative pronoun. Now let's come to the third question, which you have to fill up the blanks with the help of this interrogative pronoun. So dash are you speaking? What will be the answer? Who are you speaking to? Now second question you see, by dash was this picture painted? So what will be the answer over here? Yes, by whom? Now dash of these dolls will you take? So what interrogative pronoun you will use over here? Which of these dolls will you take? Now let's come to the fourth question. On the basis of reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. So you have to write down reflexive pronoun or emphatic pronoun. So already I have discussed you what are reflexive pronoun and what are emphatic pronoun. Now here you see I, what will become over here? Myself. So after the subject I am using myself. So that's why it will be called to be as a emphatic pronoun. They have done this themselves. Then it will be called to be as a reflexive pronoun. We ourselves will have to make efforts for progress. So if you write ourselves, themselves, yourself, myself after the subject, then it will be called to be as a what will we call? It is a emphatic pronoun. But themselves if you write after this one, if you don't write they and themselves over here, that will be called to be as a reflexive pronoun. Just after the noun or the subject, if you write ourselves, themselves, myself, that will be called to be as a emphatic pronoun. And if you write just after, not after the subject, then it will be called to be as a reflexive pronoun. So today I taught you how to insert the personal pronoun, possessive pronoun and demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. In my next video I am going to teach you more about the kinds of pronoun. So stay with me. Have a nice day.